Alright, now that we got the CT90 running, we're going to do some high-tech innovations.
Come check it out. We've come up with a much better design and a much better placement for these second handlebars. We could be adding these handlebars in place of these, but we have a much better idea. I'm gonna plop back on here.
Still not usable.
No need to bolt that down, we'll do that later. Now, we're gonna show you our new mounting system.
Here is option 1. Pretty good.
Option 2 is right here, and the passenger can give the front rider a hug while also giving them some throttle.
We call this one the ball buster.
All right, this bracket here was practically made for the handlebars to slide right in there. So now we're gonna attach it with a nice sturdy bungee cord. Seems pretty secure. For our updated ride, we found a nice new seat for Levi.
Nice and comfy.
It's gonna go right there. And we're gonna upgrade our mechanism here so that this is way more secure. Gonna feed some zip ties through there. Just like that. And number 2. Perfect.
Nice and secure.
Now we got the throttle back here for the back rider. We have steering up here for the front rider. We needed to make sure the battery wasn't gonna fly off. So we're gonna use a couple zip ties here. There you have it. Custom battery holder.
Just filling up our gas tank. Well, I think we broke it. We lost spark.
Guess we'll have to look at the battery. Time to take off our fancy battery holder. Aha! The issue.
How's the fuse look?
Fuse is good. See if we can't pop this back in here.
And then send it.
Now we're gonna take it for a top speed run. Let's see how fast we can go with both of us on it. Alright, we just did a top speed run. We have a new double CT90 handlebar record with 37.12 miles an hour. Woo! Thanks for watching our video. Like, follow, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.